Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use a HC05 Bluetooth module with Arduino Uno. So first I'm gonna show you the circuit diagram. So these are the components you need. 4 jumper wires, one any color LED over here, and you need a HC05 Bluetooth module, 6 pin, Arduino Uno R3. You need a cable to connect the Arduino Uno to your computer. So first what you are gonna do, we are gonna take the LED and the longer pin is positive, which we are gonna connect to pin number 13 in Arduino Uno board, and the shorter pin to GND like this. It should be like this. Then after this, like this. Then after this you have to take the HC05 Bluetooth module and you have to connect the RxD pin to the TXD of Arduino Uno. So I'm just gonna do that over here, and RxD to TXD of the Arduino Uno, and then the next jumper wire, and you have to connect the TXD of the Bluetooth module to the RxD of the Arduino Uno, and then you have to connect the GND to the GND of Arduino Uno over here. Then you have to connect the VCC of our Bluetooth module to 5-volt pin in Arduino Uno over here. Now, one thing you have to do before uploading the code, you have to remove the positive wire of the VCC wire of the Bluetooth module. Otherwise, the code won't get uploaded. So this is the code over here. Now I'm gonna connect the cable to the Arduino Uno. I'm gonna connect the cable to my laptop and then to the Arduino Uno. And then I'm gonna remove the HC05 module positive pin so that the code gets uploaded. So I'm gonna explain you the code. Over here, this is a variable called incoming value. So whatever value the HC05 Bluetooth module will receive, the value it will show, the value will go in this variable. So this is the setup code. We're gonna begin a serial monitor in 9600 baud rate, and then we're gonna set pin mode 13 to output, which is the LED positive pin, and the shorter leg should be connected to GND. Now over here in the loop, what are we doing? The loop function. So first, in the next step, we are gonna create the app of this, which is gonna get control from your mobile. So first I'll show you the code, then I'll show you the app. So over here the code, what the code is, if serial dot available. So the serial, so if some data is available in the incoming value, then if it's more than 0, so if it's more than 0, then incoming value equals serial read. Then what we are gonna do, we are gonna print in the serial monitor the incoming value, and then we are gonna go to the next line. Then if the incoming value equals 1, so if the incoming value equals 1, we are gonna digital write 13, pin number 13 to high, which will turn on the LED. And when the else if the incoming value equals 0, we're gonna stop the LED, which we're gonna give it low voltage, that means 0 voltage. Now I'm gonna show you how to build the app. First I'm gonna upload the code. So I have to click on verify. After the verification is done, then I'm gonna upload the code. After the code is uploaded, now I'm going to show you how to make the app of it. You have to open Google Chrome and you have to write MIT App Inventor. MIT App Inventor 2. So over here, go to App Inventor. So you can select your corresponding email. Then you can create an app. I'm gonna go to start a new project. When it'll come like this, you have to just click continue and then go to MIT App Inventor. Sorry. Go to projects and start a new project. Then after going to start a new project, so after that we have to create a new project called Bluetooth. Then we are gonna create a new project and click OK. It's gonna create it. Over here you will get a new screen like this. So first we are gonna add two buttons. So one button is for the on and the second button is for off. So I'll just set the width to fill parent, then it'll be big, and then I'll go text and I'll write off. And when you click the enter key, the text will appear over here. Now I'm gonna duplicate this button over here. You can see it does not duplicate. So I'll get a new button and put it over here. I'm gonna do the same thing, width equals fill parent, and then I'm just gonna put for the text on. Then when I put the text on, what I have to do after the text on, you have to drag a list viewer, sorry, yeah, a list picker, not a viewer, list picker above the buttons over here. And I'm gonna put the width to fill parent, and then I have to select the text is Bluetooth devices. After writing Bluetooth devices over here, you can see it's written Bluetooth devices. Now we have to get one more, you have to get one more sensor. Okay, sorry, not a sensor, it's gonna be a connectivity block, like it's gonna help to connect to the Bluetooth device. So I'm gonna get Bluetooth client. I'm gonna drop it to the screen and it'll come in the non-visible components list. Now we have done with the design. We have to go to the block section. So here are the blocks. In the blocks, what first we are gonna do? So the available devices, it can be many devices. So we want the available devices to show in the list picker. So I'm gonna get the list picker, and then before picking, I'm gonna take this block, and then I'm gonna get set element from Bluetooth client. Sorry, not from Bluetooth client, from list picker you have to get set elements. Over here, set list picker 1 elements 2. Then we have to go to Bluetooth client and get Bluetooth client address and name. Where is it? Yeah, over here, Bluetooth client address and names. We're gonna drag it here. So what will this block do? When the person will open the app and click on the list picker, which will be written Bluetooth devices, there'll be number of devices which are available at the moment. So we are gonna on the HC05 at the moment, and then it'll be available in the list, and you can select it and it'll get connected with the app. So this address and names, it will the Bluetooth client will get all the available devices near the mobile phone and stored in the list picker. Now we are gonna do the second code, which is list picker after picking. Then what we have to get list picker selection. So whatever is selected by the user, for example, the user will select the HC05 module, then HC05 should be connected. But first you have to connect it with the Bluetooth client also, right? So after getting the selection, you have to get the block connect. One second. Yeah, over here. And then you have to get list picker again and get selection. This is set selection, you have to get selection. So whatever the user has selected, that one over here. Okay, this is code is also done. So these both code, what will they do? They will connect to the Bluetooth module. The second code is to on and off the LED. So what we have to do, we have to get button 1, which is off. You just remember what button is for what. So for me, off button is button 1. So button 1. So over here in our Arduino Uno, over here in the Bluetooth module code, when it's equal to 1, it will get on. When it's equal to 0, it will get off. So I'll give you guys the code in the description and the buy link for the HC05 Bluetooth module also. Okay, now I'll go back to the app and then I'll go to button one click. So when it's click, what you have to do, you have to send a message. So I'm gonna go to Bluetooth client and I'm gonna get send text. Will be over here. Yeah, send text over here. And then what is the text? So the text, I'm gonna go to text and get text box, and then I'm gonna give it 0, and I'm gonna just copy this and paste it and clean up the blocks. I'm gonna give it button 2 and it'll send text 1. And now the app is made. So now what should we do? We have to install an application called MIT. One second, I'll tell you the name. MITAI2 companion in your mobile. After installing the app in your mobile, what you have to do, you have to click on build and click on Android app APK. Now this will create an APK, so it'll take a while. It's now 0, it's 20%. So now it's 100% and it's showing the QR code. Now I'm gonna show you how to scan the QR code. Give me a sec. Now as you can see my mobile app, now I'm gonna go to MI2 AI2 companion. Over here is the companion. Now I'm gonna show it the QR code over here, and then it will scan the QR code and then it'll ask to download it, and then you can give all the settings okay. Then you can open it. Then do you want to install? Give it yes. It'll get installed. Then it'll get scanned by your mobile scanner. Then open it. So over here the app. Before this, you have to do a quick thing. Go to Bluetooth section in your mobile, and in available devices you can see it's C05 it's on. See, and one more thing, you have to connect the VCC pin to the 5-volt pin of HC05. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah, I connected it to. I'm gonna refresh the list and I can see HC05 module. I'll connect it to it, and the default password of the module is 1234, and then you can change it. Okay, and then it'll come in your paired devices. Then go back to the app, go to Bluetooth device picker. Now you can see HC05 module. Click on the HC05 module and it'll get connected. Now I'm gonna on and off the LED, and the LED can get on and off. Oh wow, it's working. One second, you can't see it, right? I'll just show you. So guys, now I'm gonna show you how this works. So first I'm gonna open the Bluetooth application over here. Now I'm gonna select the Bluetooth device HC05 Bluetooth module, and now as you can see it blinks. It'll blink 2 times and it'll have a pause. Now I can click the on button and the LED over here starts glowing, and I can click the off button. So this is how I can control the LED with my device. If you want to know if your HC05 module is connected with any device or not, if the device is not connected, then it will blink very fast. See, it's blinking fast, that means no device is connected. Now when I go to my app and select device, now it will start blinking twice and then has a pause, and now it will work. So thank you for watching this video. Smash the like button if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel, Learn to Code with Arav. Bye.